AutoCAD or Revit? This is one of the most common questions among architects and engineers. Both are powerful design tools, but which one is the best for you? I'll explain the key differences with real examples, so you can decide which software suits your work better. Let's start with AutoCAD. AutoCAD is one of the oldest and most widely used design tools in the world. It's mainly a drafting software where you create drawings using lines, arcs, and shapes. Engineers use it for floor plans, sections, mechanical parts, and even electrical layouts. The biggest strength of AutoCAD is its flexibility. It can be used across multiple industries. However, AutoCAD is line-based. That means if you draw a wall, it's just two parallel lines. The software doesn't actually know it's a wall. And if you change something in one view, you need to manually update it in other drawings. Now let's look at Revit. Unlike AutoCAD, Revit is a BIM software, building information modeling. Here, instead of just lines, you create real building elements. When you draw a wall in Revit, it knows it's a wall. You can add doors, windows, and even materials. The best part is, when you make a change in the model, it automatically updates in every view, plans, sections, and 3D. This makes Revit extremely powerful for architects, structural engineers, and MEP designers who need accurate, coordinated models. So what are the key differences? Let's break them down. AutoCAD is 2D and line-based, while Revit is 3D and model-based. AutoCAD is flexible for all industries, but Revit is specialized for construction and design. In AutoCAD, you need to manually update drawings, but in Revit, everything is automated and linked. AutoCAD is great for drafting and detailing, while Revit shines in collaboration and project coordination. These differences clearly show why professionals often choose one over the other. So, which one is the best? The answer depends on your field of work. If you are into general drafting, product design, or industries outside construction, AutoCAD is still the best option. But if you are in architecture, construction, or MEP, then Revit is the smarter choice because it saves time, reduces errors, and makes collaboration easier. In fact, many companies today use both, AutoCAD for detailing and Revit for modeling. Now you know the difference between AutoCAD and Revit. Which one do you use and why? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CAD and Revit tutorials. Thanks for watching.